Photoshop has a powerful new update. This is how to use Photoshop's new AI image generator. First, open Adobe Creative Cloud and go to Apps, then Beta Apps. Then install and open the Photoshop Beta. To add more to an image, select the crop tool and expand your image. Then select the area you added, click Generative Fill, then Generate. Then select the option you like best. To insert objects to an image, you must first select an area with the lasso tool. Then type what you want to add and generate. If you don't like your results, you can change the prompt and try again. To remove things from an image, simply select an object with the lasso tool and click Generate while leaving the prompt box blank. You can even do this on larger objects in the image. This is the end of the tutorial. Subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and guides.